Hello everyone, I hope you all guys are good and doing well. In this video we are going to discuss about different features of Filmora 9, and you will be surprised to know that this is the easiest software that you can use for your YouTube videos or for any kind of work you are doing, like video editing and image editing. So you can use it by yourself, and it is very easy to use, and I will let you know how to use it properly. Okay, first of all, it has different features like audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen, and these are also some of the features. Okay, first of all, what you need, you should know that which clip of audio or which image you are going to edit. So that means you have to import something. Okay, first of all you need to import something, then I will discuss with you different types of features, and while implementing on that video or on a specific clip that you want to edit, so it will be easy for you to learn it properly, and in this way you can make a good video in an easy way. Okay, first of all you need to import a video. So go to the import media files and select any video that you want to edit. Let's suppose I want to edit this video. Okay, so this is my concerned video. First of all, what you need to do is you have to drag it to this bar. Okay, this video, pick this video, like click on this video and don't leave. Okay, drag it to this and then leave it here. Okay, so he is asking that which resolution you want, so you can select anyone that you want. Okay, this is the video which I want to edit. Okay, first of all I will I'm so sorry, it is quite slow. Okay, back again. First of all I will tell you about these features. Okay, this is the delete option. That means if you click on this you will remove this video from the bar. Okay, I am dragging again to this bar, selecting the resolution. Okay, this is cut or split video, this is crop option, this is speed option, this is color option. Okay, these are mainly you are going to usually use. Okay, so first of all if you want to crop it, you have to click on this and this page will open. So here what you are going to do, you are going to basically change the ratio as per your need, because if you need 9:16 you can select it. If you want 1:1 you can choose this. If you want 4:3 you can also use this. If you want 16:19 you can use this one. My concern is YouTube video, so I am using 16:19. That means this is already a 16:19 video, so I don't need it to crop. Okay, so I am going to now next feature. This one is speed. You can click on it. So the next feature is speed. You can click on this and you can slow 0.5, 0.25, 0.1, 0.05 and 0.01. Like if you choose 0.5, let's see what happened. This one. If you choose 0.25, okay, it will become more slow. If you choose 0.1, the video will be more slow. Okay, Similarly, if you want to make your video fast, you can select 2x. That means 2x from the original size. Okay, if you want to make it more fast, you can choose 4x. 4x means this, and so on. Okay, and if you want it to be normal, then you can select this. Okay, there is another option which you can use, which is reverse. That means your video will be reversed. Okay, I don't need it right now, so I am not going to do it. So this is the option right now. This is the video which we are going to edit. Okay, so the next option is you can use different features from here. You can use different audio, you can use different titles, you can use different transition effects, elements, split screen as well. Okay, so now I will tell you about how to set different titles on it. Okay, different titles on it. Like if you want to add some title, as this is a footage in which a girl is cleansing her face. Okay, and you want to, I'm so sorry, my system is getting slow. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, let's start again. So if you want to put a title on this video, then how you will do that? You just need to go to this titles. Okay, and there are so many titles that you can use in your video. Like if you want to add, let's suppose this one. Okay, you have to drag this title and leave it on this bar. Okay, now we have two bars, one for the title, the other one for the video or image. So when you double click on this, this is opened. Okay, you can backspace it and you can write anything you want. Like I am going to write here cleansing. Okay, you can choose different styles, any style that you want, like this one, cleansing. You can choose different size, like 90. You can choose different styles from here also, like this. Okay, anything that you want to, like this one is looking quite pleasant, so you can also add animation on it. Okay, I am going to tell you about a detailed knowledge of this software, so you can use animation on it. Like if you go to animation, you can use different animations. Like there are so many animations you can use. Let's suppose wavy style, it will come like this. Okay, if you want this typewriter style, it will appear like this. Any style you can use, like random or string blur or anything that you like, you can choose it and you can make your video like this. Okay, let's suppose I have selected this one. If you want to make more editing, if you want to make it more and more pleasant, then you can use advanced features. Okay, advanced text edit. In this option, you have been provided with different features. Like if you want to text the border, you can choose color from here, like red or black or gray or any color that you want. Okay, you can also use this feature, text shadow. Okay, text shadow is sometimes it looks very beautiful. Like, these are the options. You can use this one. You can use any shadow which you want to. Okay, then you can select different features here, like size. As you see, the thickness of the border has been increased now. Okay, and if you change the size of the shadow or blur, you can use this one, increase or decrease. Distance, like distance is basically the shadow behind this writing. There's a shadow, and you can increase the distance and you will see the difference between it, like this. Okay, opacity, like it is, you know, you can see here. Basically, you can see here. Okay, see the difference, like this. Okay, now you can save it. Okay, now you can play it and check what you have done till now. Okay, this is the main video you have created till now, and next we are going to discuss about different subtitles. Okay, these are the subtitles and end credits, lower thirds. You can add